guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and also like to have you as a part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. I have a brand new video for you guys today and I'm sure by the thumbnail you know what I'm about to say. I have bought from Temu in the past and I was very impressed with the quality, the price and also how fast they ship. So when they reached out to me to collaborate, I agreed, and since we're in the back to school time, I decided to do a back to school haul. They gave me all this for free, but I'm still going to give you my honest opinion. I'd like to tell you about Temu for those of you that don't know about them yet. Temu is an e-commerce company that sells items at affordable price, very good quality, and they have fast shipping and free returns. They make it very easy for you to shop on their app by including multiple categories to help narrow down your search. Let's say you need like kitchen appliance. All you have to do is go on the home page, select categories, then look through the categories and you'll find something that says kitchen appliance. You select that and you can go through it and choose what you like. You can even filter it by color, by price, most searched, or whatever that you want. You can select whichever you like. To do all this I've been talking about, all you have to do is use the link in my description box or in the pinned comment and download the app. But if you have the app already, you can use my code. I will have it on the screen and I also have it linked in my description box and the pinned comment, and you'll get 50% off. This 50% I'm talking about is for new users only. I have so much in this box, so in order to cut down the time, I will first of all unwrap everything before showing you guys. The first item I unwrapped is the first day and last day of school board sign. These are one of those items that on the first day of school you give your kid, you write their name, their age, what class they are going into, and this is well made. I like it. And on the other side you have the last day, so that way you can use it on the last day of school. And this is priced at $3.98. And it comes in two, either the colorful or the simple, but the one you're looking at is colorful. To go with the item I just showed you guys, I picked up the extra fine tip liquid chalk marker, priced at $1.98, and this is the 2-piece. They have the 4-piece, 8 basic colors, and also a mixed color depending on what you like. But remember that when you go up in counts, the prices changes. The next item I have here is a backpack. It's a very simple black backpack and it has a frog attached to it with a keychain. It's also priced at $14.48 and it comes in 4 different colors. So whichever one you like, you select that. This is not too big, but I think it will be a very good backpack for an elementary school kid. And it's well made. The outside is very soft and the inside feels like it can hold up for a while. It also comes with 2 cup holders on both sides of the backpack. The next item is a very simple lunchbox. It's priced at $6.79 and this is actually my favorite thing in this whole box. It's well made when you touch it and it comes with 2 cup holders on both sides, and I'm sure this will hold up for a very long time. And another thing I like about this lunchbox, it doesn't look too big, but when you open it, you will find out that you can fit lots of things inside it. You can use it for school or you can use it for work. The next item is another lunchbox. It's 1-piece Katunka Decor lunchbox with handles, and this comes in 4 different colors. It's priced at $4.08. And this looks very small, but when you open it as well, it's very roomy inside. I know it looks kind of like what a kid will use, but with this amount of space inside, any adult that likes cars, I'm sure can use that. I picked the large size for this, but it also comes in small size as well. The next item is 1-piece bento box, premium quality lunchbox, double layered lunchbox with spoon and fork, and it also says high capacity food container. It feels very good and well made. It's plastic though, and I feel like it can retain food if you have a very good lunchbox. You can see how well it fits into the lunch container I showed you guys earlier on, and still have more room if you want to add a juice or a fruit to it. The next item is another lunchbox, and here it says that you can actually put this in a microwave, but I will not be suggesting that for myself, and it's priced at $3.78. I picked up the blue color, but it comes in 3 different colors, and when I picked this one up, they are all sold out. This is the only one available. One thing I'm liking about this item and everything I've shown so far, when you hold them, everything feels well made, and that has been my experience in the past when I order from Temu. The next item here is the 8-piece mini ketchup bottles, or you can also use this for salad dressing. It's very small, so for kids, it's a very good size. The next item is 1-piece candy color 3-in-1 pencil holder, and it comes in hexagon shape. I like this, it feels very good, and it's priced at $1.98. You can even use this for your makeup brush if that's what you're going for, but I'll be using this for pencil holder, and you can also have this on your desk. The next item is an undated daily or weekly notebook, and it's also a planner. I like this item because it doesn't have any date in it, so you can use it anytime you want. Even when you skip a day, you will not be missing out on any pages, and it's priced at $4.48. And this planner also comes in 2 different colors, a pink and a blue. The next item is a foldable headphone, and this headphone feels very good and it sounds really nice as well. And the good thing about this headphone, it's priced at $7.48, which is not that high. So even if you give it to your kid and they take it to school and it spoils or it gets lost, you don't even have to worry about this because you didn't spend that much money on it. And this comes in 3 different colors. I tried this and it sounds very well. You won't even believe that you paid less than $8 for the sound that comes out of this thing. Even if you don't buy any other thing in this haul, make sure you pick this up. The next item is a big pen or pencil bag that is priced at $6.48. This comes in 4 different colors, and the outside material is like leather, but I don't think that's real leather. And you can even make it bigger because it has an extra zip at the back that you can open to expand it. The next item I added was the Deli highlighters, pastel markers, chisel tip. I picked up the 4 colors, priced at $2.68. It feels very good when you hold it. You can pick this one up or you can pick up the 6-piece as well. On the highlighter train, I picked up another very cute one. It's a 5-in-1 colorful beer highlighter, and the tips are also chiseled. I picked this up because it looks really cute, and you can separate them. Each color is the color of the highlighter, and the top, the pink one, is just the cover for the rest of them. The next item is the 8-color dry erase pen, and it has a magnet on the cover and also a dry erase thing on the top of it, and this is priced for 88 cents, which I think is a good score. And for just 88 cents, I'll be ordering more of this. The next item from the box is a 10-piece animal eraser. These are not too tiny, it's very sizable, and it's priced at $3.98. Another thing I like about this product is, let's say your son or your daughter have a birthday that you want to give the class gift, this would be a very good idea. The next item from the box is a 3-piece plastic ruler, and it's transparent. It comes in 3 different sizes. That's the 6 inches, 8 inches, and 12 inches. It's very simple, but it's breakable though, so you have to be careful when using it. The next cute thing I picked up is some bookmarks. It has a hand at the end that when you put it in, the hand will be sticking out, reminding you to open the page to read your book. And it comes in 4 colors, and it's priced at $1.18. For the next item, I thought I was picking out the safety scissors for little kids, but this is actually for fabric, and it's priced at $1.78, and it's well made, and it also have a cover. If you pick this up and you're using it, be very careful because it looks very sharp. The next item from the box is an addition and subtraction math book, and it has some Chinese characters on it. It looks very good, and this is 80 pages, which I think is a lot, and it's only $3.50. For just $3.50, and this is 80 pages, any kid can get lots of practice with this book. Still on the subject of math, this is a magnetic math toy that you can use for addition, subtraction, or any math problem. It comes apart, so that way you can add new problems, move it around however way the kid likes it, and it's fun to play with, and it's not that heavy. For just $1.97, I think that this is one of the items that you need to order more than one. That way the kid will have more numbers to play with. The next item from the box is the wood leather tiles. It comes in 100 pieces, 500 pieces, or 1000 pieces. So the price of this item will determine on how many pieces you want to buy. And one thing I like about this, with the kids going back to school, they can use it to practice their spellings. Or if they don't like to play Scrabbles, they can still use this. And the little kids as well can use it to practice their alphabets. And this is well made, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. If you're still watching and you're still here, I would like to say thank you for your support. We're almost at the end of this video. The next item is a cleaning soft brush for keyboard. It's just 48 cents, and it feels very soft. It's not hard. The bristles are not hard at all. The next item is a 3-in-1 cable phone charger, and this can also charge tablets. It's priced at $1.98, and it comes in 5 different colors. The good thing about this product is you can actually buy a lot and have spare everywhere. You can have one in your room, one in your car, one in your bag. That way you can never be caught with a dead phone. The next item is a 24-piece silicone muffin cups. They come in different colors, and the bottom of it has different shapes. There is a round shape, a heart shape, flower shape, and they are non-stick and they are reusable. And all this costs just $4.98. And another good thing I like about these silicone cups is if you're packing a food that you don't want to touch the other food, you can use this to separate the foods. The next item is a mini snack sealing machine. It comes in 2 colors. It comes in white and pink, and it's priced at $1.47. And this uses 2 AA battery, and it has a magnet on the other side of it in case you want to hang it on your fridge. And the last item in this haul comes packed in this brown box. I left it like this, that way I can show you how it was packed. It's 1-piece 360-degree rotating cosmetic storage box. It's very cute and very not heavy and not too light. It comes in 6 different colors, and it's priced at $8.77. And the good thing about this product is it rotates. It's like the Lazy Susan. You don't have to move the item, move the whole thing to get something from the back, and you can use this for different purposes. And I would like to thank Temu again for sponsoring this video, and thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.